Among Us potion from the dark web. And supposedly, when you drink this Among Us potion at 3 a.m., you turn into the imposter from Among Us.
It's okay, I'm kinda scared.
Choose my character? Oh, bet!
Head nurse. Nash shopkeeper nurse.
Daniel Wanley, what is this?
Did you fart?
Sanim grind lizards.
Did you cut my hair?
Get your pranks on with the Prank All Hilarious Prank app. There are so many prank sounds to choose from, and you could even change your voice to sound like these famous celebrities and cartoon characters. Try it out now. Download free today.
This ain't no animal hospital.
I'm training because
Guessing BC, it's wasting my time.
If you want your phone to look like this, then watch this video. I've been using this free app called Theme, and it completely transforms your phone. They have thousands of themes to choose from, and even widgets, icons, and wallpapers to customize your phone. Transform your phone now and download for free now.
intern.
I'm so freaking tired of this.
6, 7.
Okay. Meviscus. 6, 7. Shake it off. Shake it off. Funny kid.
40 kish. Shake it off. Shake it off.
Why do I need videos?
Stealing content. I swear, I repeat, stealing content.